Hello. Today we will learn about the phrasal verb drown something out. It means to cover one sound with a louder sound. For example, if a loud truck passes by, it can drown out the music you were listening to. You can say, the noise drowned out the radio. Drown something out is separable. You can say drown the noise out or drown out the noise. Use it when one sound blocks another. It is common in everyday conversations. For example, she turned up the music to drown out the neighbors' voices. Remember, the object comes between drown and out or after it, not before drown. It is usually used with sounds like noise, music, or voices. Similar phrases are block out and cover up, but they have different meanings. Try using drown out when talking about loud sounds. For example, the thunder drowned out the sound of the alarm. Practice makes perfect. Try making your own sentences with drown out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.